to best car fixes pickup RAM. We need to add a key. Here is the key that we have it. We're using our software. Be sure you have internet on it. We're gonna come here and go to IMO directly, accept. Okay, I gotta go by VIN. Car is running now. And also we have a transmission issue. We need to update the computer and the transmission with the latest software. We're gonna come that one into another video. Okay. Those cars always get a good remote, good acceptable part. If not, we may have a problem down the road. Smart key, Fob key, pickup 2015, say yes. Switch ignition off and on again, make sure the engine is off, yes. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go to IMO statue. Okay, we are going just to add a key. Okay, let me put the other window up also. I don't want no copyright for any sound or music. I don't believe there is something unless if the computer will take it automatically, quickly. Okay, learning guide. I'm gonna say type 1. I'm gonna start. I don't want to erase anything, but let's go. Failed. What happened? Escape. Maybe type 2, 2015. Start. Okay. I don't want to erase any key. So it's type 2. 2 key. Turn the ignition off. Say okay. And put the key inside. I just put a new one because I tell you, this one programming gonna have to be done 3266, that's the code, the pin code. This programming have to be ignition of place, unprogram ignition key, fob into the ignition, make sure the ignition is in lock. Current 2, do you want to do next one? Say yes. Wait 50, and there you see key in ignition only. You say key is success. Number 3, do you want to program another one? Say no. 3, that's it. So let me start it. That's a radio XM series 1010 news. Car is good. Take it out. See there? Okay, good. So we are able to start this car. Everything good. Okay. Now, what you need to do is finish with this one. Here is a regular key. Everything is good. Please subscribe, share, and like. And see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Thank you.